My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Ford S-Max. This vehicle was done just over 69,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 7 seats in total. And on the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On our touchscreen we can access ambient light, valet mode and voice control, emergency assistance, mobile apps, Bluetooth and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC as well as a keyless ignition. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.